welcome back to another Trendmood Box unboxing. I'm gonna be hella real with you. I don't remember which one this one is. Most of them I remembered going in, which bundle they were. This one I'm drawing a blank. I don't remember which one this is, so this is gonna be as much a surprise to me as it is to you guys. So let's go ahead and open it up. So since I haven't peeked, it's still sealed in the tissue paper, so... First thing in here is by NYX, and it's the Marshmallow Primer with marshmallow root. So this is probably like a sample or a travel size. Let's see here. Primer base. Use alone or with foundation. That is literally the only instruction it gives. Okay. I guess I could go to the NYX site and read up on this. I know darn well I have been seeing them advertising the crap out of this lately, so it makes me that much more embarrassed that I don't know what exactly it is. I want to say it's got like CBD in it or something, but anyway. So next thing in here is the Sweet Pinks by Juvia's. I want to say Kimmy has at least one palette by this brand, because I think I've seen it in her bathroom. A sleek and beautiful hand-picked sweet pinks to create stunning looks. So let's take the box cutter, break that seal, and see what kind of pinks we got in here. Okay. Oh, almost made me real nervous. Also makes me laugh. We have that same exact box cutter at work. I'm like, I know where you bought that. You got it on Amazon. Anyway. Where's it? Oh, okay. Just slides out. Pink. There we go. Alright, so looks like this on the outside. Oh, okay, so it's just got 6 shades in it, but they're like hella bright, and I am into it. You know I'm into it. Look at them! Look how pretty those are! Oh my god. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Granted, given their neons, the FDA probably hasn't approved these shades or anything. They're probably not deemed eye safe, but we all know I'm gonna wear them that way anyway. Let's see here. Yeah! Colors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Not intended for use around the immediate eye area. Let me repeat! Colors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's literally all of them. Bravo. Oh my god. Let's see here. Yeah, everything that I've read up on it, it's like, in other countries, they're cool with it. It's just the FDA is so fucking behind. It's because it might stain or cause irritation. It's the only reason they really put that there, so I'm gonna take my chances, thanks. So anyways. That's that one. I think that's gonna fall for sure. Oh, that's by that same brand, Juvia's Place. Glass Gloss, and it's electric. Let's see it. I love how I totally don't remember any of this. Ooh! Ooh, look at it. The top of it totally makes me think of Tarte, though. Like, am I alone in this? Is it a rollerball? Oh my god, tell me it's a rollerball. Nah, it's not. Okay, whoa, that is some heavy suction in there, yo. And a big ass doe foot applicator. Wow! I can't quite decide what that smells like, but it's interesting. It's like initially my brain's thinking like vanilla. But then there's almost like a mintiness to it. I'm like, ooh, hello. Alright. Can't wait to try you out. Alright. Let's move these down here, because that still makes me nervous as fuck that it's gonna fall. Okay. Next thing in here is by e.l.f., and it's the Lash It Loud Volumizing Mascara in black. Why do I always forget that e.l.f. sells mascara? I always pass it up because I always forget that it's a thing. This is apparently what the wand looks like, but it's like full size. Volume that hits all the high notes. This formula's intensely rich pigments easily coat lashes for a bigger and bolder look. The sleek, flexible wand hugs every single lash with both vertical and horizontal bristles to amplify, define, and add dimension. Alright. Well, we shall see now, won't we? From Trendmood and the DSMB shop by Dark Skinned Makeup Daily. Oh, okay. It's just a beauty blender. Okay. That's cool. It's purple, so I like it. Let's see. Oh, oh, these are down on the bottom. The Marshmallow Primer. Oh, you know the info I was looking for. 10-in-1 makeup extending benefits. Vegan formula, no silicones. Extends makeup wear, smooths, softens, hydrates, soothes, evens tone, minimizes texture, blurs lines, soft focus finish, and keeps makeup fresh. It's the Marshmallow Effect. This 10-in-1 smoothing super primer is infused with smoothing marshmallow root extract for 10 outstanding makeup extending benefits with a soft whip texture. This primer dries down totally transparent to work on all skin tones. 100% vegan formula and no silicones. Okay. I don't know where I got the CBD thing out of. Maybe because I saw mellow in the name, I just assumed it. Okay. Right up here, we've got the little elf thingy. Want bigger, bolder lashes? Try our new Lash It Out mascara for $6. Oh. Damn it! I apparently had a coupon, I didn't even know, but it expired on New Year's Eve. Womp womp. What's this? Nude Sticks. Lemonade, Detox, and Glow Micro Peel with lemon, papain, apple, and pomegranate. That's a good size tube. Like, wow. This box is 100% biodegradable. It also won't shut for shit. By Nude Skin. Okay. Set that aside. Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Serum. Advanced Line and Wrinkle Smooth. I feel like I have this. I'm gonna have to double check, but I feel like I have a bottle of this that I got sent directly from Murad before. So finally, we have Glow Skin Beauty BioRenew EGF Drops. What the fuck are EGF Drops? Epidermal growth. Oh, okay. It's gonna answer that. Epidermal Growth Factor Cell Repairing Serum. Ooh. Formulated to restore, strengthen, and rejuvenate skin, this reparative serum combines 100% vegan EGF with a bioactive peptide recovery complex for a youthful glow. Apply drops directly after cleansing and toning twice daily. Well, that sounds groovy. And that was the last thing in this box. I'm just like, I swear I don't even remember ever seeing like a promo email with this stuff listed in a box set. So I'm just like, did I like totally block out that I ordered this one? I don't even know. Like the others I totally remember buying. I remember seeing all the promos leading up to it. This one I have zero recollection of. So I'm like, oh, okay, cool. I guess that's stuff that I now own, but I totally don't remember buying it. Anyway, so that's it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, everything and more. It's all down below, and if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, bye-bye.